Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, today we learn 10th Kannada alphabet I. I, A, I or small y. We use when we type in computer or mobile, the time we use y. How to write? I. How to pronunciation? I. I means I for Aidu. Aidu means 5. I for ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ. ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ. ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ means historical. I for ಐತಿಹ್ಯ. 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 ಐತಿಹ್ಯ means legend.